It is finally time for a new vehicle. Ha! Ha! Ha!
Oh, true. I like this red model.
Weg this, Meyer. We have saved tow. We have saved enough money.
Goodbye, old friend. You worked hard.
Let's visit the dealership now.
The weather is perfect for car shopping.
I feel so nervous and happy.
Look at all these options. Oh!
This blue color is beautiful.
The wheels are are very large.
It smells so fresh in here.
Hello. We want to see the SUVs.
This one has one more. One has a sunroof.
The seats are very comfortable. Here, just still it here.
Whoa. The technology is amazing.
Ooh. Ooh. There is a lot of space here.
Let's take it for a test drive. Ektam, nine, Taurain, Saham.
The engine is very quiet.
Are we tracing now? I am using my blinker now.
The mirrors help me see clearly.
Does this car use much gas?
All gone.
It has. And Peepsiras apportions a lot of power.
I think this is the one. Let's
Discuss. That. Pry. Pry dawn.
the price.
Why and als hore. I am reading the small details.
The time went by so fast.
Negotiating is hard work.
The car belongs to us now.
These keys feel so heavy.
What a great adventure today!
Look at the giant red ribbon.
Oh, now it is ready to go home. The leather feels very soft.
Goodbye, everyone. Thank you.
The world looks different from here. Turn right at the next corner.
We are home safely. Yo.
It fits perfectly in the garage. What a busy, long day.
I need them. I need a glass of water.
The keys are safe now. Oh.
Dollars so high. I love our new car.
I will read the owner's manual.
There are so many features. WAP car.
Tea is good for a calm night.
We have a happy life.
I am done for today.
The door is locked tight.
Good night, Nova.
Sweet dreams, Sarah.
Wow. Good morning. Let's drive today.
I want it to stay clean. Ah.
I will use the car. I will use the car for work.
Is the registration here? Oh,
The garden is so fresh.
I am going goes Y shop. It opens so easily. You did a great job today. Hapogu Petra. Cars are fun. Goodbye. Goodbye.